Marie Curie, a woman of quiet strength and unstoppable determination, a scientist who changed the world through courage, sacrifice, and discovery. Today, let's explore the life, struggles, and lasting legacy of one of the greatest pioneers in science. Marie Curie was born in 1867 in Warsaw, Poland. At that time, opportunities for women in education were extremely limited. But Marie's curiosity was limitless. As a child, she loved learning, reading, and exploring the mysteries of nature. Her mind was sharp, her focus was deep. Even in difficult circumstances, her passion for knowledge never faded. Determined to study science, Marie moved to Paris to attend the Sorbonne University. Life there was not easy. She lived in a small, cold apartment, often studying late into the night, sometimes without enough food. But hardship did not weaken her resolve. It strengthened it. Marie believed that education was a path not only for herself but for humanity. In Paris, she met Pierre Curie, a fellow scientist who shared her passion for discovery. Together, they began studying mysterious substances that emitted invisible energy. Their partnership was built on respect, curiosity, and a shared scientific dream. Through years of careful research, Marie Curie discovered two new elements: polonium, named after her homeland, and radium, glowing with powerful energy. She pioneered the study of radioactivity, a term she herself coined. Her discoveries opened new doors in physics, chemistry, and medicine. They changed how humanity understood matter itself. Marie Curie became the first woman to win a Nobel Prize. Later, she became the first person ever to win 2 Nobel Prizes in 2 different scientific fields. Yet recognition did not erase the barriers she faced. She worked in laboratories where resources were scarce and risks were unknown. Still, she continued, driven not by fame, but by purpose. During World War I, Marie applied her knowledge to help others. She developed mobile X-ray units to treat wounded soldiers on the battlefield. She trained nurses, operated equipment, and brought medical imaging to places that had never seen it before. To Marie Curie, science was not only discovery, it was service. Years of working with radioactive materials took a heavy toll on her health. At the time, the dangers of radiation were not fully understood. Marie Curie passed away in 1934. Her body weakened, but her legacy stronger than ever. Today, her discoveries continue to shape the world. Radiation therapy for cancer treatment, medical imaging, nuclear physics. Her work lives on in hospitals, laboratories, and scientific breakthroughs across the globe. Her name became a symbol of perseverance, courage, and scientific devotion. Marie Curie teaches us that greatness is not defined by comfort, but by commitment. She reminds us that barriers can be broken, that knowledge can heal, and that determination can illuminate the darkest unknowns. You may face obstacles, you may walk difficult paths, but like Marie Curie, if your purpose is strong, your light will reach the world. Wisdom never gets old.